So to utilize the zones, it says colors, music, and create. I'm going to tap on create. Then I'm going to tap on architectural design. Now you can see, unlike before, now we have all lights, dormer 1 and dormer 2. I'm going to name this one USA Pride. And what I want here is dormer 1 to be red, dormer 2 to be blue, and all the other lights to be warm white. So first I'm going to click on dormer 1. I'm going to do tools. Then I'm going to do select all. And I'm going to choose red. Okay. And then I'm going to hit the back button in the upper left hand corner. And now I'm going to click dormer 2. I'm going to click on tools. Then I'm going to choose select all. And then I'm going to choose blue. Then in the upper left hand corner, I'm going to hit the back button. So now you see dormer 1 is red, dormer 2 is blue. I'm going to click on all lights now. You can see here, a lot of these are black. And when they're black boxes, it just means that they're not going to be lit in this pattern. But that's not what I want. So I'm going to go ahead and select all the other lights. Now you could set up a zone for all of these other lights as well if you wanted to, but okay. So now I have everything but the dormer selected, and I want those as warm white. So I'm going to click on warm white, and then I'm going to hit the back button. Well, I accidentally did cyan, so I'm going to go back through and change them all to warm white. So as you can see, if you do make a mistake, super easy to fix, no big deal. I'm tapping all the ones that I accidentally just made cyan and making them warm white. Okay, now they're correct. I'm going to hit the back button. And now you can see all lights are white, dormer 1 is red, dormer 2 is blue. On the upper right hand corner, I'm going to click save, or you can hit the play button and get a preview. I'm going to click save. Now I have this where I can tap it, and you can see now playing the USA Pride architectural design utilizing my zones.